I explained you how to create a unique home page. Today I will tell you how to implement a custom HTML design on that unique home page. So first of all, this is the design which I have downloaded from this GitHub link. You can note this. So after downloading this link, I unzipped it and viewed it in my browser. So after this, I opened up its index.html and looked into the HTML. So first of all, we need to include some CSS files and some Google font files. Then we need to include some JS files. So I have copied the HTML. So first you need to open up the custom theme.info file. You can see that layout.css, style.css, color and print.css has been included into this info file. So then you need to open the template.php file, which is inside the custom theme, which I have already explained you in the previous video. So here in the template.php file, you need to write a function. You need to write some lines. So drupal add CSS. So this is how I have included bootstrap.min.css and business casual.min.css, and this is how I added jQuery and bootstrap min.jss. So these will be automatically included. So if I include this file and clear the cache, it will take some time. I just pause the video. So now the cache has been removed. So if I reload this page, so after including this CSS, I just opened up page.front.tpl.php file, and at the top of this div page wrapper, which is the first div, I have just pasted the HTML so that I make sure that everything in this design works fine. So I have also included these two link files into this page.front.tpl.php file. So what happens now, that HTML is showing, and the HTML of the default Drupal is also showing. So what is now needed is this, that we need to remove one CSS file, because the style.css and the CSS of this custom design is conflicting. So what we need to do here, we need to write a custom CSS alter function, and you check that if it is a front page, then unset the CSS style.css. So I have written this. When I refresh this page, the style.css will be gone and the CSS of the theme the custom theme will come. So you can see this slider is also like rotating here. This is also like when you are implementing the theme, so you need to copy its CSS files, all of these CSS files, into the themes CSS folder. Look, I have copied it, and images into the images folder. Okay, I have copied this, and JS, because JS folder is not there, I have just copied the JS folder here and font folder here. So after this, what you need to do, that because the images folder name is img, so you need to go into the CSS which you have just copied and open up the business casual CSS, and you need to change the image img to images so that it can pick up the images. And another thing you need to do is, when you go into the front page TPL, so for the slider thing you need to write up this PHP code so that it can get to the path of images which you have just copied into the images folder. And also you need to write this script to activate the carousel. So basically in index.html it is oh, this is some kind of virus coming into my system. You can see that this dollar sign, it has denoted it by a dollar sign, but in Drupal because of the jQuery conflict you need to write jQuery instead of dollar sign, then the slider will start working. So once you are done with all these steps, so you can see that the HTML is coming fine and the custom design is getting implemented. So in next video I will explain you how you can place this logo, search bar, my account, logout, and whatever other things are required into this design. So thank you for listening. Bye bye. ये क्या हुआ?